pag may binigay yung isa, parang meron din yung dalawa. Yung balance sila ngayon eh, safe pa. Wala nung birthday ko, nagbigay naman ng gift silang tatlo sa akin. And si DJ, nag-gift siya ng chocolates, tapos si Khalil, nagbigay ng lotion, and then si... lotion and shampoo si Khalil po. Tapos si Ken, binigyan niya ako ng, nilagyan ng watch. So, sa pagpaparamdam...
Expensive?
Hindi po, nilagyan ng watch.
Bakit ganun?
Na-follow lang yung watch na dyan na.
Watch na. Dapat napakita na. Dali Enrique sa kanilang tatlo, dapat expensive na.
Pero lahat naman kasi sila maalaga po sa taping, lalo na nung kay Khalil. First time ko siya naka-work, and then hindi ko in-expect na parang kapatid ko na siya, parang baby brother yung turing ko sa kanya. And then si Ken, since siya yung pinakamatanda sa amin, hindi na pinakamatanda, pinaka-mature. Sa kanya kami nakakuha ng mga, yun din, masaya eh, fun kasi super maloko, and kita mo sayo na lang masayo pag nasa taping, so masaya. And syempre kay TJ, very Padilla na, Kat, ay, kumain ka na ba? Yung mga ganun. So, maalaga naman po silang lahat eh. So, kung kayo nasa situation ko, feeling ko, ganun din po yung mararamdaman nyo.
Wala, feel ko lang yung yung role. Enjoy na enjoy ako. Kanina yung naglalakad ako, sabi ni Bettina, ay, inaantok ako dahil sa traffic, di ba nakatulog ako. So, inaantok ako, sabi ni Bettina, oh, Ashi ka na. Ashi meaning queen kasi sa butan yun. Ashi ka, biglang iba na yung tayo ko. Parang nire-remind ako. Siguro, wala na.
Sa butan ba, marami bang kasing ganda mo?
Alam mo, kami lang buong, I think 20 or 21 lang kami, pumunta doon. Hindi ako nakakita talaga ng ibang mga tao masyado. Kasi nagtrabaho kami. I don't know, I'm sure. Si Lucky is an actress in Bhutan also. And she's beautiful. In fact, uuwi siya this month, the end of the month, dahil nominated siya as Best Actress for one of her films. And, you know, I really want to give honor naman to Lucky dahil talagang pinaghihirapan niya yung pagturo. She's teaching us to speak Dzongkha at hindi po talaga madaling magsalita ng Dzongkha. Although, syempre talagang totally different from Alta, this project. I can say yes with all my heart that this is a worthy project. In the beginning, hindi ko nakita na this is a good replacement. But like now, lalo na nakita na namin yung trailer and I saw a few scenes, I'm just really thankful and grateful I'm really grateful na ginawa ko tong project at ginagawa ko tong project. And I'm very happy to be working with my two directors, Direk Dado and of course Direk Francis. I only worked with Direk Francis last night and I said, ay, crazy sa unit na to. I'm really, everybody's so much fun and so it's so nice to be working with everyone.
But then you wouldn't be able to use all the wardrobe that you bought for
I will! Yun ang good news kasi sabi ni Direk Dado kagabi, sa week 5, pupunta akong Pilipinas. Siyempre hindi na ako pwedeng mag-costume or hindi ako pwedeng maging queen, you know, ng Bhutan with the outfit. So, magagamit ko yung mga dapat para sa Alta. Gagamitin ko dito.
I see. So, in the story, are you related to Albert or not at all?
Not at all. Albert is the king. Yung asawa ko, si Christian Vasquez, is the vice king. Kami ang magiging magkalaban ni Albert because gusto kong agawin ang kaharian mula sa kanya.
Pero si La Catherine and si Enrique Hill, are they related? Are they cousins or
no?
Hindi? So they're not
They're
related.
not related. No,
I see.
They're lovers.
Pero bagay na bagay sa'yo yung role mo, Gretchen. I think you're going to do it justice talaga.
Thank you very much. Ninenervyos na kami for Monday and what you said is just really good. It's great. Thank you.
Good luck sa